That jumbo bag of cucumbers seemed like a steal at the store. But fast forward to day 3, and you're staring at a mushy, slimy mess that's basically destined for the bin. We've all been there. Well, today I'm sharing a freezer hack that almost nobody knows about, and it'll keep your cucumbers firm, fresh tasting, and good to go for weeks. Don't go anywhere either, because I've got the same fix coming up for cilantro and green onions, so they don't meet the same end. Let's dive in. This happens to all of us once cucumber season rolls around. They're everywhere, they're dirt cheap, and you toss a big bag in your cart without a second thought. The problem is, cucumbers are basically water in disguise, so they don't stick around long. Give it a few days and they start going limp, mushy, and that crisp bite is just gone. Which means you're out the money you spent and the food you bought. Luckily, there's a fix for that, and your freezer is where it begins. Start by rinsing the cucumbers well under clean running water. Once washed, make sure they are completely dry, as any moisture left on the surface can turn into ice crystals during freezing and affect their texture. Then, wrap each cucumber separately with plastic wrap and place them inside a freezer-safe zip bag. Remove as much air as you can before sealing the bag tightly. This helps protect the cucumbers from absorbing freezer odors while preserving their flavor and quality for longer. Before using the frozen cucumbers, give them a few minutes to soften slightly. Trying to slice them straight from the freezer can be difficult because they're extremely firm. Leave them on the counter for about 10 to 15 minutes, or run them under cool water if you need them ready sooner. Once they're easier to handle, chop them into small pieces and toss them with a little salt. Let them sit for several minutes to release excess water. Afterward, rinse them, gently press out the remaining liquid, and you'll have cucumbers with a pleasantly crisp texture that absorbs seasonings and dressings much more effectively. It's time to bring everything together. Drizzle the cucumbers with a spoonful of sesame oil, season lightly with salt, and toss until evenly coated. Transfer to a serving dish and finish with a scattering of roasted sesame seeds for extra flavor and aroma. If you enjoy a bit of heat, stir in some chili flakes and finely chopped garlic. The result is a light, crisp side dish with a rich, savory taste and a refreshing crunch that's especially enjoyable during warm weather. There's an even more convenient option. Prepare the cucumbers before they ever go into the freezer. Start by washing them thoroughly, then slice them into small, easy-to-use pieces. Sprinkle with salt and let them sit briefly to draw out excess water. After rinsing and pressing out the remaining moisture, place the pieces in a freezer-safe bag. Squeeze out as much air as possible, seal tightly, and freeze. Later, when you need them, there's no extra prep work required. Simply take out the amount you want, add your favorite seasonings, and they're ready to use. They make a great addition to potato salads, sandwich wraps, chilled noodle bowls, and many other dishes that benefit from a fresh, crisp texture. Cilantro often goes bad long before you can finish using it. One simple way to help it stay fresh is to give it a quick soak in ice-cold water. Start by removing the roots and discarding any wilted or damaged leaves. Place the remaining cilantro in a bowl of ice water and leave it there for about 5 minutes. This helps revive the leaves and maintain their bright appearance and crisp texture. Once finished, dry the cilantro thoroughly with paper towels. Any lingering water can speed up spoilage, so getting it completely dry is an important step. After the cilantro is fully dry, you can either store the leaves whole or chop them beforehand for added convenience. If you'd like to clean it more thoroughly, mix a spoonful of baking soda into a bowl of water and give the cilantro several rinses before drying it again. Next, transfer the herb to a sealed, freezer-safe container or bag. Remove as much trapped air as possible before closing it tightly and placing it in the freezer. When stored this way, cilantro can maintain much of its fresh taste and fragrance for several months. The best part is that frozen cilantro is ready to use right away. There's no need to wait for it to thaw. Simply add it directly to hot dishes, such as soups, stews, broths, or stir-fried meals while cooking. Now Let's look at green onions. It's common to use only part of a bunch and then forget about the rest until they've wilted in the refrigerator. A simple freezer method can help prevent that waste. Begin by rinsing the green onions well and making sure they're completely dry. Slice them into small pieces, then transfer them to a freezer-safe container or resealable bag. Once stored in the freezer, they're ready whenever you need them. You can take out exactly the amount required and add it directly to hot dishes, such as soups, fried rice, noodle dishes, and stir-fries. There's no need for extra chopping or thawing, making it an easy way to keep fresh flavor and a bright pop of color on hand at all times. A freezer isn't just for storing meat and frozen meals. It can be one of the most useful tools in your kitchen for keeping ingredients from going to waste. By taking a few simple steps ahead of time, you can extend the life of fresh produce, reduce unnecessary grocery spending, and make meal preparation much easier. The next time you're about to throw away vegetables that are starting to age, try one of these storage methods instead. You may be surprised by how well they work. If you give any of these tips a try, share your experience in the comments and tell us which one you found the most helpful.